Hello friends and welcome to Max Programming, and in this video we are going to continue our Python series. And so today we are going to learn about floats. What are actually floats? Floats are used in Python to represent numbers that aren't integers, actually that are decimal numbers. If you know that decimal 5.2, it's not an integer, actually it's actually a float in Python. So for example, if we write here print, okay, so if you calculate a simple thing, let's say, okay, 9 divided by 8, okay, so if we do this and let's run that, we'll get the result as a float 1.125. it's a float, okay. So let's continue, and we know what's float now. When we divide any two numbers in Python, so it will give us a float. So there is another thing for division, I'll explain you later on. When we divide, for example, 8 divided by 2, so it will give you a float 4.0. Let's run this, it will give you 4.0. So that's it for this tutorial, and we will continue on with the next tutorial. Till then, stay tuned, hit a like if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and finally, thanks for watching.